Hey guys, welcome back to our channel, How to Tutorials. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to log into AstraZeneca Workday account online. To do so, firstly, you have to make sure that you have an account. If you do, then you may go to your preferred web browser. Here, I'm going to use Safari for now. Then, astrazeneca.wd3.myworkdayjobs.com/careers and then press enter. This will take you to the website. To log in, go to the sign in option on the top right corner of your screen above search for jobs. This opens up a tiny tab. Here, you have to enter your login credentials. If you don't have an account yet, you may create one by clicking on the Create Account link below the Sign In button. If you do have an account, then type in your email address in the first text box. Then type in your password in the second. In any case, if you do not remember your password, then you may click on the Forgot Your Password link below. Once you filled in your credentials correctly, then you may click on the Sign In button. This is how you can easily log into your AstraZeneca Workday account. If you find this video helpful, kindly like, share and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below. Thanks for watching.